and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1, we'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2, we'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3, learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4, discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
Imagine if you could tap into the most underutilized $19 billion platform that almost nobody else is using. A platform which has almost no competition. A platform that lets you get in front of 1/3 of the entire world's population. Yes, 2.78 billion monthly active users, and I'm not talking about Facebook. And you don't see ads on this platform. Like I said, almost nobody is using this platform for traffic and sales. Why? Because up until now it just hasn't been possible for the little guy. And there's been nothing available on the open market that allows beginners to leverage this platform for free. The fact is, the money is in the list. But most marketers fail to turn their list and leads into money. You need a hot offer, a killer contact list and top-notch messaging platform to make tons of money online. You could easily get hot incredible offers anywhere on the internet, but without an engaged list and a top-notch marketing platform to blast your offers, you can't make money. And most email marketing platforms sold are either complicated, confusing, broken. They simply don't live up to their wild promises. Now I must warn you, this has nothing to do with traditional email marketing platforms like Auber, GetResponse, MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. You've been held hostage by these outdated, overpriced email autoresponders that drains your wallet every month, leaving you with no profits. To make matters even worse, you'll still struggle with low open rates and click-through rates, restrictions on contact imports and list, poor conversion and sales, account suspension or ban, and messages landing in spam folder. This new AI software leverages a platform which has been under your nose this whole time and boasts marketing messages get 100% delivery rates, 98% open rates and high engagement unlike any other. The future is here. Say goodbye to expensive email marketing and list building. Skip the crowded inbox, go straight to their pockets and sell directly to 2.5 billion customers. Introducing Zap AI, the world's first Nexus AI WhatsApp autoresponder that creates and blasts unlimited bulk messages to unlimited contacts for maximum profits. Comes with built-in lead finder that extract red-hot mobile leads in any niche and flood them with your offers for maximum profit. Achieve 98% open rates to unleash limitless traffic and skyrocket your sales. No monthly or hidden fees with Zap AI. You won't have to pay a monthly subscription to use Zap AI. You can import unlimited phone leads without paying extra fees. Build AI-powered WhatsApp store instantly and drive 13 times conversions. You can even create an automated AI WhatsApp sales assistant that qualify your visitors to paying customers. Need high-quality content at lightning speed? Zap AI generates high-converting messages with just a keyword. No more spam. Say goodbye to low open rates, bad conversions, and zero sales. Imagine having an autoresponder that has absolutely no limits. Now Zap AI gets you free buyer traffic from a 2.78 billion visitor traffic source. And no, this doesn't include messaging random people or doing anything tedious, tiring or boring. It's 100% automated. We created this software to give back, eliminate the learning curve and shortcut beginners directly to results. This is the answer to your traffic and sales problems. It's unique and it's a first of its kind solution. In fact, it's never been done before ever. So how does it work? Simply activate the Zap AI software by clicking and let it know which web page, affiliate offer, funnel or link you want traffic sent to and watch as the traffic starts pouring in as little as 23 seconds. Zap AI is easy to use, newbie friendly, and you don't need any tech skills or existing audiences to get results with it. So you're probably thinking that this never before seen unique free buyer traffic software is very expensive. Although it would be easy to charge you $197 a month for this, considering it's 100% new, untapped and fresh. But we won't, because we want to level the playing field so you too can get results. So during the exclusive launch period we're doing something very special, which means you're not going to pay $197 a month. You're not even going to pay $47 a month. In fact, you're not going to have to pay monthly at all. By hitting the button below right now, you get instant access to Zap AI for a heavily discounted one-time only price. But it gets better. When you act now you'll also get 6 money-making bonuses worth thousands absolutely free. You can see the details below. And to make this a total no-brainer for you, there's absolutely zero risk to you with our unheard of 180-day money-back guarantee. But wait, it gets even better. If you put the software to use and you don't get results, not only will we send you a complete refund, but we'll also send you $250 out of our own pocket. So the only way you lose is if you don't take action on this incredible deal right now. But you must hurry, act fast, because the price goes up every 60 minutes. If you wait, you will pay more. So if you want to use the world's first WhatsApp marketing software to get free buyer traffic before anyone else in as little 23 seconds, then click the button below now to lock in your discount and get instant access to Zap AI. Oh, and I almost forgot, when you order today, you'll also get the Zap AI suite for free, which allows you to send unlimited emails, store unlimited files and build unlimited funnels. No monthly fees ever, just our gift to you for trying out Zap AI. You can check out all the details below. So hurry, click the button below for instant access. Do it now before the price increases, and we'll see you on the inside.